Nothing beats a warm bowl of Gajar ka halwa on a cold day. Today, I'm showing you how to make this classic Indian dessert, perfectly sweet, rich, and easy to follow. Let's cook.
Wash and peel the carrots. Cut the carrots into small pieces. Put the carrots and 1 cup milk into a pressure cooker. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 4 whistles on medium heat. Turn off the heat and let the pressure come out. Open the lid.
At this stage, check if the carrots are cooked properly. Once they're nice and soft, take a masher and mash them well. There shouldn't be any big chunks. Everything should come together smoothly.
And transfer it into a different pot, then start cooking on medium heat. Add ghee and mix well. Add 1 or half cup sugar and cook while stirring. Cook until the halwa becomes thick. Add nuts and cardamom powder. Cook for 5 more minutes. Serve warm or hot. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.